The Kaveri water dispute between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu has once again come into focus as the Kaveri Water Regulation Committee is scheduled to meet on July 15th to review the water storage, inflow situation and agricultural needs in the Kaveri basin. The meeting is being held amid poor monsoon rainfall and declining reservoir levels. The CWRC, a technical body assisting the Kaveri Water Management Authority, includes officials from all Kaveri basin states including Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The committee will assess the current water situation and recommend whether water should be released from upper riparian states or lower riparian states. According to the latest data, Karnataka's Kaveri basin reservoirs currently have only 56 TMC of water compared to 114 TMC during the same period last year. Reservoir inflows have reduced to around 8,000 cusecs while outflows stand at 1,625 cusecs. During the previous CWMA meeting on June 23rd, Tamil Nadu demanded that Karnataka to release 9.19 TMC of water for June and 31.24 TMC for July. However, Karnataka opposed the demand, citing delayed rainfall, poor inflows and reduced storage levels in its reservoirs. Meanwhile, tension is rising in Mandya district where police have been placed on high alert ahead of the meeting outcome. Farmers have been protesting, demanding adequate water for agriculture as reservoirs continue to struggle due to insufficient rainfall. The decision of the CWRC is being closely watched in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. A direction favoring Tamil Nadu's demand could trigger fresh protests in Karnataka, while any decision against water release may increase pressure on the state from Tamil Nadu. Authorities in Mandya have stepped up security measures as attention remains focused on the CWRC meeting and the next steps in the Kaveri water sharing dispute. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.